I add my pattern piece with a right-click on the DXF file, Add to Workspace, and I have the option to choose the DXF file unit from the drop-down menu or leave it at the default auto scale. It comes as half a front piece, and I make it one front piece by choosing Symmetric Pattern with Sewing or Command D from the context menu. I can then merge both pieces by right-clicking on the center front segment with my Edit Pattern tool. Select Merge. The texture maps exported from CreateDesign are shaped and fit the pattern pieces. In this tutorial, I will assign these files to a fabric each. I drag and drop each texture into the respective space in the property editor. Alpha or opacity maps, texture, displacement, and normal map. With the Edit Texture tool, I adjust the position of the texture maps. I make sure it's centered and that the edges of the texture tile are aligned to the edges of the pattern piece. In this instance, my texture maps are slightly too small. I'll therefore increase them to 101%. With the aspect ratio toggled on, I can change the value in the transformation section, and I have to do this for each of the maps. I have added 2 more default fabrics to my object browser by clicking on Add and renamed them Back and Sleeve. I will now repeat the process demonstrated on the front pattern piece. Finally, I duplicate my left sleeve by hitting Command D, which creates a symmetric pattern with sewing.